Cheetah versus Jack Russell Terrier, starring Kinji, the 8-month-old African Cheetah Cub, and Chloe, the Jack Russell Terrier. Chloe is one of Kinji's favorite toys because she does fight back. I admire the circling technique that Kinji displays. Attack the back. Teasing a Jack Russell Terrier is just not wise, but that doesn't stop Kinji. Playing with fire.
Oh, Chloe. I'm sorry. He's ornery again. It continues.
The will of a Jack Russell Terrier simply can't be submitted. Kinji takes advantage of Chloe's rat hunting and pays for it. He's good at getting away.
8-month-old Cheetah Cub.
Yeah. He's all like this.
It's the same battle with the same result every day. Take it inside, you two. Irritating all the dogs and running away. Kinji's not so good at tug-of-war either. It's more of a dog thing.
That's a pretty tough dog, man. I'm sorry. Sorry, Kinji, you're out of your league. No. I can't both paper with this. Chloe, no.
Speed is Kinji's advantage. With man versus cheetah, Kinji has a little more success.
Oh, Kinji, don't hurt me. Good boy, Kinji. Good boy, Kinji. He's 8 months old, really cute. Kinji. Never give a cheetah your pack. It's a backpack. a cheetah backpack. The problem is when you have shirts, it's not skin, so he bites hard. Way too hard. Oh my goodness, sneeze. You okay, buddy?
Overall, he's the most adorable cheetah cub I've ever encountered.
Oh, he's gonna purr. He rarely purrs.